Hi guys! Welcome back to another one of our nothing but crafting videos. Today we're gonna be doing some pancake art, so I'm kinda excited.
So Yithing and I have been really excited about the latest release of Animal Crossing. So what we decided to do today is to actually recreate our favorite characters from the game using Pancake.
So we've never done this before and we're trying it out for the first time, so I'm kinda nervous but kinda excited, so let's go!
So I wouldn't consider myself the best at baking, so I hope this works out.
For our first round, we're gonna start with a default villager of Animal Crossing.
Okay, next round. We decided to draw Tom Nook, the shopkeeper.
For the third round, it's pretty much free and easy. Esther and I can pick any characters we want. I decided to paint Isabelle, the adorable dog that everyone loves.
And I, on the other hand, decided to draw a cute blue cat named Rosie.
In my opinion, I think the boy turned out pretty cute, and then it went to okay because Nook could have a little bit of improvements, and then we have Isabelle, who is like a really happy dog. But yeah, could use improvement.
So I wasn't completely wrong when I said I can't bake because, well, I actually made quite a mess. Stay tuned for the behind the scenes video, which is coming soon, to see the kind of fails I did. But yeah, it was fun, it was tiring, but I really enjoyed myself doing this whole thing because I've never done my own pancake art before. I've done it in like shops in other places, but I never tried it on my own, so it was fun. And yeah, I kind of messed up a bit because I was supposed to put stuff in the Ziploc bag and cut a small hole, but apparently my small hole was big and it's, yeah, so the consistency of the pancake that came out was bad. So in the end, I resolved to using chopsticks to draw the outline. But yeah, well, I guess it wasn't that bad, but it wasn't good either. I'm okay. I like the first one that I did, the villager, the most, because it was quite cute, and the rest are like meh. Yeah.
And that's it. That's the 3 pancakes that we attempted to make. Thank you for staying for our entire video, and we hope you like it.